He's burning it in, family. He's using an 1/8" rod. That plate is about a 1/2" plate. And we're running vertical up with a 70/18 rod. Getting him ready and prepared for the 3G test. And then we're gonna do the overhead test next. So we figured we're going to get everything fine-tuned and we'll jump back into it. After we finish the vertical up, we'll jump into the overhead. We already been working on the overhead. I really feel like he got it. But this vertical, family, you have to put a little bit more time. One of my guys did a video today and said he believed you should put about 50% more time into the vertical than the other, because you got to really put it in with that vertical. But once you get it, you got it. But you have to put a little bit more in when it comes to the vertical. So just keep that in mind. Don't get discouraged if it's not looking right, because you got to work on your travel speed. You got to keep your gap tight and your angle, and trying to stay consistent as you go up. There's a few things you got to keep in mind and look at, so don't get discouraged, family. Don't get discouraged. Just stay at it. You're going to work on your voltage, making sure your voltage is set right. That's a big plus. We got this one set on 113 amps, and we're welding with a 1/8" rod. Now, when we do this test, it's going to be actually a 3/32 rod, and it's going to be a 3/8 plate.
Trying to get to the money.
Hey, he getting to the money over here.
Getting to the
You
money.
see him? He getting to it. He getting to it. Ain't nothing but to do it. And I love to see someone that never did it, family. He never used a grinder, a chipping hammer, wire brush, like he was completely, this guy was a full version to welding. I done broke him in now. He ready to go now. By the time he finishes this class, fam, we gonna be getting to a serious bag, you hear me? And that's the goal. He gonna be able to leave here and get to some money. So the goal is to help him open up a door. And that's what welding do, fam. It open up a door that only you can close. Keep that in mind. Hog on, fam.